Union is a concept in math. Basically, it means putting multiple things in one group. As in this diagram, both circles are in the same group. In TypeScript, when a variable can have two or more possible types, we can use the union type to combine them. And now, my input can be a number or a string. No squiggly line under either of them. We can have more than two types in a union as mentioned before. And of course, we want to keep it as strict as possible. To make it cleaner, we can create a type for this. To make it more obvious, we can use parentheses. This is necessary when we define an array of union. Otherwise, we mean a number and a string array. Here is a question. Which one is not allowed? Why? Answer in the comment below. What if we want to convert the input to lowercase when the input is a string? Well, we get a squiggly line telling us that my input may also be a number, which doesn't have a to lowercase method. To solve this, we need a if or a switch conditional. What if we have custom types in a union like this? We can't do type of now. We need something to distinguish the two, such as a row, and then we can use the switch conditional. And auto-completion works perfectly here. TypeScript knows what we can use in each case. Lastly, we can be more specific about the options. Here, sit can only be one of these three strings. That's all for union in TypeScript. Do you get it? Let's check. What do you put in the condition? Write your answer in the comment below.